What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another video. So yes, I know I have been super MIA, and I just want to apologize. I've been super busy. I've been creating rugs, I've been working, I've been editing videos, I've been filming videos. I've been doing a little bit of everything. I've been super busy, which is good, obviously, because we're trying to make that money, trying to make that bread. But yeah, I've been super busy. I haven't been able to make videos for you guys. The beginning of February was very good because I had a lot of commissioned work and they had to be done at a certain date, which made me, obviously just focus on creating those rugs for them. And I didn't have time to film them. But don't worry, I do still have a list of videos that you guys have been asking me to create. So I am going to create them, as far as like the shipping video, the boxes, how to thread the tufting gun, more detailed tutorials on detailed lines, so on and so forth. So just bear with me, they are gonna come up. I'm starting to get a little bit more free time, so I am gonna try my best to make these videos again. But yeah, everything's been going good. I've been busy. I finally hit my 4,000 watched hours threshold on YouTube, which means from here on forward, anything that I post, I could get monetized. So that's definitely encouraging me to create more videos for you guys. So just know they're coming. But yeah, I just want to make this video and update you guys. So yeah, I've been super busy. Since I last created a video, I finally sold my Space Jam rug. So if you guys don't know, I had a couple rugs and I still have a couple rugs still for sale. So I sold the Space Jam rug. I created a 6-foot rug for a Valentine gift, really big, and it was super awesome. I created a rug that was 3 feet. It was like a smiley face, half gray, half yellow. That one was really fun to do. I did a custom logo all the way out to New Jersey. I finally sold my Stone Cold rug, which I was super excited to finally get it off my hands. Finally, someone really appreciated that rug and they took it off my hands. So for that person who bought it off of me, big thank you. I really appreciate it. And then, oh, something really important. I finally, if you guys watched my last video where I asked if I've made money or, if I've lost money, made money with this tufting rug stuff. So I finally broke even. I'm finally making a profit off of these rugs. So if you didn't know, well, let me just explain to you. So, so far the money that I've invested for these rugs, creating these rugs since October, late October, to this date, as far as materials, which is like glue, the backing, the wood, nails, basically anything that I've ever bought to create these rugs, I put it on like this spreadsheet, and then I, just make sure I keep track as far as how much I'm spending and how much money I'm making back. And as of today, as of right now, I've invested, I don't want to say wasted because I know a lot of you corrected me on that last video. So I've invested $2,485. So let's just say $2,500. I've invested $2,500 in creating rugs, as far as material being, invested and so on and so forth. And I finally broke even and I'm now in the green. So we're no longer in the red, we're making money now. Hopefully it stays that way. But at the moment, right now, I'm finally at $2,625. So I'm just about $150 in the green, which I mean is a little bit, but I'm just happy that I finally broke even. So at the end of the day, if I don't sell any more rugs from here on forward, it's fine because I mean, I guess you could say I just didn't waste any money. I mean, I did waste my time, but if I don't get any more commissioned rugs, it's just, breaking even. Cool. I'm fine with that. But yeah, hopefully I do continue getting more commissioned work and keep on going on the green. And I'll definitely continue updating you guys on that. And yeah, so yeah, as I said before, it's pretty expensive, but I'm hoping that we continue going in the green and I'll make these videos updating you guys as far as how much money I've been making, so on and so forth. Because I know a lot of people out there aren't really speaking about the profits. And at the end of the day, I don't really care, It's not like I'm making millions of bucks. But yeah, let me show you. I finished the rug yesterday. I just want to update you guys as far as what was the last rug I did. So give me a second. So I did this rug last week. Well, I guess you could say this week, and I finally finished it. Check it out. It was very difficult, especially on these little fine lines. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm actually gonna go deliver that right now in a couple minutes. So yeah, let's see what else can I update you guys on. I do have a couple more rugs lined up, and then I have 2 big orders coming up, one from Oscar and one from JC. The one with Oscar has been confirmed and the one with JC hasn't really been confirmed yet. But yeah, those are gonna be 2 big projects, and I'm excited to create them. So I'm definitely gonna make these videos for you guys. And yeah, I mean, everything's been going good. Let me know if you guys have any questions below. As I always say, let me know in the comments below what you guys want me to post, if you have any questions, so on and so forth. Also, feel free to message me on Instagram if you guys want a commissioned rug from me, or if you guys have any questions. I do try my best to reply to you guys there. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little update video. As I said, I will be back, and I will be posting more videos other than just these tufting videos. I will be posting like vlogs, all of that stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys haven't subscribed, please do so. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.